Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're diving into the world of air frying with the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL. With over 30,000 purchases last month and nearly 80,000 rave reviews, this air fryer promises to be a game changer in your kitchen. Let's find out why. If you're searching for an air fryer that offers versatility, convenience, and health benefits, the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL is a top contender. With its large capacity and multiple cooking functions, it aims to simplify your cooking routine while delivering delicious results. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. Say goodbye to cooking in batches. With a 5.5-quart nonstick basket and crisper plate, this air fryer can handle up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings in one go. Perfect for feeding the whole family or hosting a gathering without breaking a sweat. Why settle for just an air fryer when you can have so much more? The Ninja AF150AMZ offers 5 cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're craving crispy fries, a roasted chicken, or homemade dried fruit snacks, this air fryer has got you covered. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Test it against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. The results are deliciously crispy without the guilt. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Nobody enjoys cleaning up, but with this air fryer, it's a breeze. Both the basket and crisper plate are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup as easy as cooking. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. From gentle dehydration at 105 degrees Fahrenheit to quick and crispy cooking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer offers a wide temperature range. This flexibility allows you to cook a variety of foods perfectly, whether you're slowly removing moisture or rapidly crisping. Make your own healthy snacks at home with the Dehydrate function. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade treats. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature ensures thorough dehydration, resulting in delicious snacks every time. Positive points. Large capacity. The 5.5-quart basket is ideal for family-sized portions. Versatile cooking. 5 cooking functions cover all your culinary needs. Healthier meals. Up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Wide temperature range. Suitable for various cooking techniques. Negative points. Size. The air fryer's large capacity means it takes up more counter space. Learning curve. Getting used to all the functions and presets might take some time. So, should you buy the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone looking to cook quick, healthy, and delicious meals with minimal effort. While it does take up some counter space, the convenience, versatility, and health benefits make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.